for gathering us all today in this important endeavor.
To give us the warmest welcome to today's event, let us hear a message from our Pasto Manager, Mr. Kim R. Francisco, Master of Public Administration. Sir, the floor is yours.
Kay muna po, Master Heradisyan. Happy Valentine's! So, today, no, atong gitawag ang atong activity as a pre-Valentine's Day Job Fair, no, which is tomorrow, no. I'd like to acknowledge first our special guests for today, our wapong Assistant Regional Director sa Department of Labor and Employment, Regional Office 7, Director Emmanuel Manny Ferrer. Thank you, Kuya Manny. And of course, our beloved City Councilor, who will be speaking later on behalf of Mayor Cindy and Paul Ahong, the Honorable Annabeth Mama Abed Mizor. So for today, we have 23 employers generating 1,469 job vacancies. And we are grateful for our 23 employers joining us today, coming from the different industries, BPOs, supermarkets, malls, manufacturing, real estate, hotels, resorts. No? We have here also Manpower Agency joining us. So we hope we can have a lot of hearts today. And as of 10 in the morning, so far we have 12 hired on the spot. Ato silang i-congratulate, ato silang pakpakan. So while ongoing ang mga interviews, no, proceed lang mo din ha, paminaw lang mo. This is one of the Chan administration's thrust to make employment, job seeking accessible to the Opunganons. So we're just here not to facilitate, no? Although the initial plan was to conduct job fairs on a quarterly basis. But we are gearing up, no, and leveling up, making it on a monthly basis. No? So far last year we had 15 job fairs, and hopefully for this year, ato nang ipadayon. No? More than 12 no, ng mga job fairs, more than 12 months. Okay? So we would like also to thank our national government agencies joining us for their services, caravan of services. We have Pag-ibig, SSS, NBI, we have PSA. No? So, guys, kung naamoy mga ginig, no, na mga requirements, clearances, no, or naamoy mga concerns related to your SSS and Pag-ibig, so please approach their area or their table para pa-assist mo. No? So they can provide you their assistance all for free, of course. Okay? So to our beloved employers joining us, thank you so much and God bless everyone.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Francisco, for your heartwarming message. At first, let us hear Mr. Emmanuel Ferrer, Assistant Regional Director of Dole 7.
To the city government of Lapu-Lapu City, and of course the Lone Congressional District, headed by other than our city mayor, Mayor Cindy Chan, and of course our Congressman Ahong Chan, who is represented by atong Lincoln na konsihal, other than konsihal Mama Abet Izon. Of course, making this possible sa atong pugihan na peso manager, Kuya Kim Francisco, sir. And of course, regional line agencies who are present here today, as mentioned by our PESO manager, and of course, our job seekers, maayong buntag sa ato ang tanan. On behalf of our regional director, under the leadership of Attorney Roy L. Buenafe, who is currently representing our country in the 6th Global Conference on Elimination of Child Labor in Morocco, as lead delegate, even he is in abroad, our regional director ensures that the DOL continues to its mission to protect workers, promote employment, and uphold work, decent work for every Filipino. Mama Abet, dako gyud pasalamat kay Kuya Kim sa City of Lapu-Lapu. Of course, sa panguna sa ato Mayora, Mayor Cindy Chan, ug walay tulong sa paningkamot alang-alang sa katawhan diri sa Lapu-Lapu City, sa Lone District of Lapu-Lapu, atong Congressman Ahong Chan. O di po nato kalimtan ang atong Mr. Trabaho, no other than Kuya Kim, na walay hulog po sa pagmugna o programa alang sa employment facilitation isip atong PESO managers. And of course, we would like to make this possible, this job here of the cooperation of the 23 employers as mentioned by Kuya Kim. This activity is aligned with the commitment of our President, no other than President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., whose Bagong Pilipinas agenda prioritize job creation, economic resilience, and inclusive growth. Under the leadership of our Secretary, Benvenido Benny E. Laguesma, remains focused on expanding access to employment opportunities, strengthen partnership with LGUs and the private sector, and ensuring employment available are not just jobs, but they are decent jobs. As we approach the Valentine's Day, umba naman daw po ito, yung ni Kuya Kim, we usually think about romantic love. But there are also facets of love, such as the love of your city government, your leaders here in Lapu-Lapu gathered here today, represented by Mama Abet and of course Kuya Kim, the love for the people they serve through this job fair. The love of a parent who wants to provide, and the love of a son or daughter who wants to ease their family burdens. Today, we have 23 participating employers with around 1,469 job vacancies. We also thank our one-stop shop partners as recognized by Kuya Kim. Today, I am reminded of my own journey. There was a time when I applied as a crew member of a known food chain. I remember the feeling, the nervousness, the doubt, the question in my mind. Will they choose me? Of course, private. Kanaw ko sa gobyerno, wala yun. Nagtawad ko yan. But despite of the butterfly in my stomach, I see to it I am prepared. And I think possible questions and craft my own answers prior to my job interview. Unfortunately, I was not hard, but it gave me a lesson. But I gained a little confidence through my experience and told myself to do better in my next interview. I also put in my mind that if I ever be hired, I value the office that hired me, and I'll do my best to be a productive and deliver what I am expected to deliver. To the job seekers, we all start somewhere. Every successful professional once stood where you are standing today. Resume in hand, pray for an opportunity. With this pre-Valentine job fair organized by the City of Lapu-Lapu, job seekers get ready for the opportunity of a lifetime. Maybe this time will be your chance to have a full, productive, and decent employment, just like the 12 hats that we have. Just remain confident and honest in answering the question of the employers. And wish you the best of luck. Even you feel nervous, remember, courage is not the absence of fear, it is moving forward despite the fear. Ang gobyerno, dili man makahatag sa inyong tanan na panginahanglan, apan padayon din maningkamot mutulod sa among hugma pinaagi sa mga programa o serbisyo sa labing madali o epektibo. Kaya ang Department of Labor and Employment, ang among servisyo, dili kunya na, dili kuma na, now na. Once again, daghang salamat and advance Happy Valentine sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Emmanuel Ferrer, for your heartwarming message. We will now call on our City Councilor, Mama Annabeth Quizon.
Good morning, mayong buntag sa tanan. Sa atong PESO manager, atong department head, si Kuya Kim. Mayon na ko Kuya, kay ate masad ko. Si Kuya Kim, ang atong ARD sa Dole. Si Kuya Manny Ferrer, and also to our employers. Good morning. Thank you very much for offering these job opportunities for our Obonganos. And of course, we would like to thank Gaisano Capital, Grand Mall, Gaisano Grand Mall for allowing us to hold job fairs here in their department store, no? Atong suki na ni nato kay mao magiging sila ang mohatag nato og venue. Thank you very much. And of course, on behalf of Mayor Cindy Kinshan, on behalf of our Congressman Jonard Among Chan and our Vice Mayor Ceci Sitoy, usapan ng mga konsehales, thank you Sir Kim for facilitating job fairs for our constituents. No, this is really an opportunity for them to apply, to look for jobs, and augment their livelihood, no? Individual livelihood sa matagsa ng mga panimalay na kinahanglan kita o tabang sa atong mga pamilya. So usa ni siya kapaagi ang makatabang ta sa atong kaugalingon o sa atong